Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. And for today's video, I have a hair video for you guys, which I know you guys love. I'm going to be reviewing this Mane Choice Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mask. I am really excited to try this out for you guys. I have missed doing hair reviews here on my channel, so if you guys like hair videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I upload new videos twice a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, all types of content here on my channel. I just started doing budgeting videos, so if you're into that as well, I have so much new content coming for you guys this summer and I am so excited. But if you guys want to see this review, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so let me move this light over just a little bit. Okay, so like I said in the intro, I'm going to be reviewing the Mane Choice Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mask. It is infused with biotin and vitamin A, B, C, and D. So it says the Mood Collection, thermal protection for curly or straight hair mood. A weightless way to healthier hair, infused with peach black tea and vitamins, adds beautiful volume and protection. Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Mask delivers intense moisture and helps to repair damage, offers weightless conditioning and protection, leaving the hair strong, vivacious, and full of body. We love that around here. So it has no mineral oil, no petroleum, no parabens, intensely rejuvenates and moisturizes, restores vitality and improves hair's integrity, detangles, softens, and strengthens, greatly improves natural luster and shine. And yeah, so it says after shampooing with peach black tea and vitamin fusion shampoo, apply to towel dried hair and evenly distribute. Cover your hair with a plastic cap and sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. Can leave in up to 30 minutes without heat. Rinse thoroughly with cool water and style as usual. So I will be sitting under my heating cap with this. I won't be sitting under my dryer, but let's go ahead and get started. So for today's wash day, I used the Nexus Protein Color Assure Infusion line that I just reviewed. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it down below for you and up in the cards right here. I'm going to move my mic, so I'm sorry if it's a little loud. Okay, but I have been obsessed with that line. It is so good for my hair. Any Nexus product, honestly, my hair is just like super love. So as you guys can see, my hair is drying a little bit, so you just have to be really gentle. This comb is from Paul Mitchell, I believe. The writing rubbed off, but I believe it's from Paul Mitchell. I got it on Amazon. It's just a regular shower comb, but I really like it for detangling. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair, not in anything super specific, just kind of haphazardly, if you will. So I'm just going to clip this away and work on this side. I always section my hair into 4 sections and just clip that out of the way, and we just focus on this section first. I'm going to re-wet my hair. This spray bottle is from Sally. You can also get them on Amazon, and I will have one linked down below for you guys. You guys always ask me where I get my spray bottles from, so I will have it linked for you down below. I'm just going to gently detangle so that everything is nice and easy to apply. And I don't have any product in my hair right now. I just use the shampoo and conditioner from the Nexus, and this is how my hair is looking. So So I'll show you guys the consistency. It kind of smells like tea. I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite scent that I've smelled. So the consistency is kind of like really thick. Like it's not runny. It's very like almost like pudding, if I could give it. It's very smooth. So let's see. Okay. So far so good. It's definitely adding some like smoothness, not necessarily moisture, but it just feels smooth in my hair, which I like. I'm not mad at it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and braid this up. It feels really nice. I don't know if you guys could tell, like I was just kind of like thinking in my brain, like it's not like my favorite way my hair feels when I'm applying a deep conditioner, but it's not the worst. Like I feel like this is a type of deep conditioner where I will have to add like oil to it in order for me to really enjoy it, if that makes sense. If you do your hair a lot, you know what I'm talking about. Just like those conditioners that like they're good on their own, but like they're great with like some avocado oil added or some olive oil or something like that. So that's how I'm feeling with this one right now. Like it's good, I like it, but I don't know, maybe added with some jojoba oil and some avocado oil, it'll be like chef's kiss good, you know? But I'm just detangling the next section. Yeah, like it feels good. Like I'm enjoying the way it feels. Like I said, the scent isn't my favorite, but I think I can get over that. And we'll have to see like how it feels once I rinse it out and stuff. But yeah, I definitely still hold true to my feeling that this would be better with some oils and stuff. But I like it. I don't not like it. You know how like those conditioners where like you put it in your hair and you're like, oh no, like you just know it's not gonna be a good wash day. I don't feel that with this at all. And I feel like I'm not using a lot of product. Like a little bit is going a long way, which I also enjoy, because this was a little pricey, guys. I want to mention also that I did get this from Walmart. So they sell the main choice at my Walmart if you guys are looking for it. Yeah, like this feels good. It's starting to grow on me. Let me just get the root. Okie dokie. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the conditioner to the other side, and I will be back to show you guys what we're looking like before I sit under the dryer. Okay, everyone, the conditioner is all in my hair. I'm going to go ahead and put on a shower cap and sit under my dryer for about 15 minutes or so and rinse it out, and I will be back to show you guys what it looks like when we're all done. But here's a little overview. Feels good, looks good. So I'll catch you guys when I come back. We back, baby. So I just rinsed out the conditioner. I sat under my heating cap for about 20 minutes or so. I got caught up in some YouTube videos, so you know how that goes. But we are all rinsed out, and my hair feels really good, guys. Like, it's not like amazing, like life-changing, like you have to run out and get this conditioner, but like it feels really good. My hair feels definitely stronger but moisturized. You know how I've been saying like I really want a conditioner that's like really moisturizing as well as being like strengthening? I feel like this is it. And like I said, and like you see how I'm detangling my hair? Like it feels really, really good, you guys. But like I said while I was applying it, I feel like it could be so much better once I add some oils to it. Like if I add avocado oil and jojoba oil, I feel like this will be like top 5 like amazing deep conditioner. I don't know anything about like the volume or anything because obviously my hair is still wet, so it's gonna be straight down to my head anyway no matter what I do. But I am going to sit under my bonnet dryer. I'm gonna do my hair in some Rolos as per usual. That's how I like to dry my hair personally. But look at me detangling, like, and yeah, my hair was pre-detangled before, but I flipped my hair over and rinsed my hair in the sink. So usually that really makes my hair like super tangled. But it's just so much easier for me to wash my hair in the sink, obviously. But yeah, like I'm detangling it really easily with this comb. So I would give it like an 8 out of 10 if I was like grading it. So it's really good. It's really, really nice on the hair. And I feel like it would just be so much better with some oils though. Let's see the claims of it and if it delivered. I almost just dropped this. It says, intensely rejuvenates and moisturizes. I do believe it does moisturize because my hair does feel very, very moisturized. Restores vitality and improves hair integrity. I definitely feel that as well because my hair does feel stronger. Detangles, softens, and strengthens. I have to agree, it does detangle. As you guys saw, it detangles very easily. It's soft, and my hair feels very, very strong, like I said in the beginning. Greatly improves natural luster and shine. Does it look more shiny? I don't know, my lights honestly make everything look shiny and pretty, so it could just be my lights. But I definitely agree with like all of the claims. Like even, I guess like my hair does look a little bit more shiny, but you guys can be the judge of that. But yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I will have everything listed down below. I post pretty much weekly, I mean like more than once a week. But definitely go ahead and follow me over there if you would like. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you. Bye.